needs batteries or something.
Here comes
Needs
snow.
batteries.
Yeah, no.
I got a robot.
A robot.
Why does it, Dylan, why don't you go get a couple presents and we'll tell you who they're to.
It's stuck underneath your seat. Must have been sitting on it.
Look. This supposed to be batteries or something.
Hey Dylan, do you want to go pick out a present?
Yeah.
Let me see your yo-yo and I'll fix it, Sam.
I'm gonna pick out this one.
Okay, let's see who that's to.
Okay.
That one's to Mommy.
Let's see what you
Go pick out another one.
You got there, Sammy.
It's for you.
Sam, let me fix your yo-yo.
There you go. This one's the biggest.
Oh, cow, look at the
That
size
one
of that one.
says to Sam. Go get another one.
Here, Sam. That one's yours. Mine? Yeah.
Here, I'll fix it, Sam.
Then where's mine?
Go pick one out,
Go
Dylan.
pick one.
Katie, help him find one that's his. Dylan, did you pee, Dylan?
Yes, it is.
Betty, help him find one that's his, baby.
Okay.
That's yours. That's from Sam and Maddox. You go find one for Maddox? That bag belongs to her, Dylan. No, that bag doesn't. Which one belongs? Find one for Maddox. That big one that you said was Papa's is Maddox's. No.
Yeah, that's Maddox.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Maddie. Hey.
Here.
This Maddox.
Need some help, Sam? Try in the corner.
Look.
Sam, try on the edges. There you go.
You alright, Dylan?
Who is this from? Santa Claus?
Sam, Dylan.
Oh, man. Oh,
What you
man.
got?
I don't know.
What is that?
Here, Sam.
It's a house.
Here, right here. Open it up.
Oh, man.
Sam, look here. Sam. Sammy.
What is that?
It's a house.
A house with a lot of furniture and
Dylan, come here. Delightful present.
Here's a bed. Here's a sofa.
What is it?
Here's a little girl.
what's in there, Sam?
Boy, the mommy and the
Oh,
daddy and the table.
That's from Sam and Maddox.
No.
Sam.
Toilet. And a toilet.
Sam, what's in
Sam,
your box?
what's in your box?
Looking over. What is this? A bathtub? A bathtub.
What you got there, Sammy?
Chairs.
You want me to help you?
Need some help?
Yeah.
Here, Sam. Rip it.
This is hard to rip.
That is hard to rip.
Paper's hard to rip. What is this? A cash register.
Dead.
What is it, Sam?
It's a money maker.
Sam, what is it?
A cash register.
Look here, Sam. Sam, look here.
A box.
Whoa.
It's a
Dylan, what's
box.
that?
Look.
Oh, look at
Cool.
that.
We'll have to watch that today. Go pick out another one, Dylan.
Okay.
Open this up.
Here.
I picked out two.
Those are Mommy's.
You're mine. So whose is this?
That's to Sam from you and Maddox.
Here, Sam.
Can we pick that out?
I gave
Here, Sam.
Maddie gave it to you. I gave it to you.
This is from Dylan and Maddox.
See a big cash register?
Hey,
Dad, can
no.
you picture?
That's me.
Poor Maddie.
Oh, the lens cap's on it.
This one's heavy.
That one's for Sam.
Going right for the money, huh,
Sam, I
Sam?
got you another
What'd you get,
one.
Sam?
Maddie. I still
Maddie.
got another one.
He's gonna get that.
Maddox, look at Papa. Look at Papa.
Where's that,